In this video clip, we learn how to replace minus using plus in calculation. This method can be easier than directly subtracting, but more importantly, we want to understand why we can do this. Consider an example: 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, 7, okay, minus 6, 5, 8. Okay, now we use 2, 5, 4, 7 plus another number. The number has the same number of digits as 6, 5, 8. The first digit is 9 minus 6, 3. The second one, 9 minus 5, 4. The last one, be careful, is 10 minus 8. We have 2. So then we have 9, 8, 8, 2. In addition, we minus 10,000. That is, from the end, we count 3 digits, then in the fourth one, we add a 1 here to subtract. The final answer will be 1, 8, 8, 9. Using this, we avoided borrowing digits from higher digits here. Now we see why we can do this. Actually, here what we do is 2, 5, 4, 7 plus 342. If you read this number carefully, you may be able to understand this actually is 10,000 minus 658. I'm sorry, 1,000 minus 658. Here we have added 1,000. At the end, we need to subtract 1,000. Okay. 2, 5, 4, 7 plus. We put them together. Okay. 1,000 minus 6, 5, 8, then minus 1,000. You see, we have 2, 5, 4, 7 plus 3, 4, 2 minus 1,000. We have here 2, 8, 8, 9 minus 1,000 equals 1,889. Assignment: find 2, 5, 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 8, 9, 2, 5. Following the same logic and prove it why your addition is equivalent to subtraction.